Have you ever wondered why we experience day and night? It's actually an incredible cosmic dance that happens every single day right beneath our feet. Let me take you on an amazing journey to understand this fascinating phenomenon. Imagine our beautiful planet Earth floating in space. Unlike what it might seem when we're standing still on the ground, Earth is actually spinning like a giant cosmic top. This spinning motion is called rotation, and it's happening all the time at an incredible speed of about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. But why don't we feel it? Well, everything on Earth, including the air around us, moves along with the planet, just like how you don't feel movement when you're in a smooth flying airplane. Now let's think about our sun. It's like a brilliant spotlight in space, always shining. As Earth spins on its axis, which is like an invisible line running through the north and south poles, different parts of our planet face the sun at different times. When your part of Earth faces the sun, you experience daytime. The sun's light and warmth reach you directly, making everything bright and warm. But what about the other side of Earth? That's right, it's facing away from the sun, creating nighttime. This is why when it's day in New York, it might be night in Tokyo. It takes Earth exactly 24 hours to complete one full rotation. That's why we have 24 hours in a day. Think about it like this. If you're on a merry-go-round, you'll face the sun and then turn away from it as you spin around. Earth does the same thing, just on a much bigger scale. This rotation also explains why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. It's not actually the sun moving across our sky, it's Earth turning towards and then away from the sun. What's even more fascinating is that Earth's axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is super important because it gives us our seasons, but that's a story for another day. The next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, remember that you're witnessing our planet's endless dance through space. You're experiencing firsthand the amazing result of Earth's rotation. And here's a mind-blowing thought. While you're reading this, you're actually spinning through space at hundreds of miles per hour. Isn't science amazing? This simple but incredible movement of our planet keeps life on Earth in perfect balance, giving us the predictable pattern of day and night that all living things have adapted to over millions of years. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, from the tiniest plants to the tallest trees, everything on Earth has evolved to live in this cycle of light and darkness that our planet's rotation creates. So the next time someone asks you what makes day and night, you can tell them it's all about Earth's spectacular daily spin through space.